What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be doing Stranger Things monster creature drawing. We're going to be doing the demo dog, so like the Demogorgon, but on all fours. So I'm in landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Try have fun. Don't freak out. Whatever you do, stay calm. Keep calm. Carry on. That's always my advice. Anyway, that's what I try and do. Sometimes we're not successful, but hey, that's life. You get everything on this channel: philosophy, meaning of life, art. Why am I talking so much? Let's draw the demo dog. Flower for a head, right? So center point of my page, like here, will come up. I'm going to start with the sort of center flower, right? So we'll go sort of spike, right? Up and around. This, right? So he's kind of, this one's kind of short because he's kind of looking that way, right? And then the next one around like this, right? Do the same over here. So the real hard work on this character is all the teeth, right? Now I won't be able to do all of the teeth, but we'll do as much as we can. So we go around again. 5 altogether. No, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 5. I was right the first time. This goes up and it joins a kind of a fleshy sort of bump here, because it like joins his neck. So this is kind of his neck, and then it comes around, joins the last one up here, right? So then we have this rim or edge on the inside, so it just like goes around. You're just following sort of the inside again. And it can be a bumpy line, because it's kind of flesh and stuff like that, so don't worry too much about it being like perfectly smooth or anything. Right, kind of like that. And the center sort of hole, so we'll give this some texture first. We'll just like add these curved lines just on top. Right, kind of like that, right? And then the mouth is here, right? So you'll do this sort of U-shaped like that, right? It's kind of here, but there's like teeth hanging down from it. So just at the top, right, we'll just add like a line of teeth, like some spikes just here. Each one's an individual tooth, so we have to like do the bump across the top. Right, like that, and they of course go around the mouth, but we'll just shade this in dark. Right, and then there's like all this texture coming around this, like skin and wrinkles and things all going around here. And there is teeth all in here as well. So we'll just continue adding all these teeth. So like I guess some like texture lines going around here would be helpful as well, maybe just coming around the mouth and stuff. Right, and we'll add teeth to these. These will sort of indicate where the growth and the rows and things like that, right? Right. So then you just add teeth, right? You just add lots and lots of teeth. So there's no easy way of doing this, right? So the quickest way, I'll show you how to, you follow each row, right? And what you do, what I like to do anyway, is do like rows of like these spikes going around like this, right? and it goes around and around and around. And then you'll add the tops, right? So just these lines, and you'll just keep doing that. And close off the ends. Right, kind of like that, and you'll just do that everywhere, basically. So like on this one, they grow down this way, and on here they'll grow sort of up this way. Right, and you do that everywhere. So I'll probably speed this bit up because it would be super boring. So we'll just go, right? 1, 2, 3, boom. So you could go forever just adding these, but I think I'll leave it there. That's all teeth. You can add way more if you want. But I think I'll leave it there. So he's all hunched over, right? So the shoulders come out here, right? Shoulder here, shoulder here, right? And then we can kind of see the neck sort of line maybe there, or like the back of the head or something. It's just in here. And then tricep and elbow sort of coming out here, right? And then the forearm goes off this way. It's kind of bumpy, sort of comes down all the way. There's all feet down here, but we'll just get the limbs first, right? So we got, again, tricep, sort of elbow, real skinny, right? And feet all here. And then, just need to brighten up my image now, sorry. So we can see like the underbody and the underbelly kind of here, right? So it's these sort of wrinkle lines. Just there. And then his back up here. So you got like the spine in the middle. And the back goes down that way. Right? So these are like the front legs, right? The back legs, we can see one of the back legs and like a little bit of the other one, right? So these are the feet, and then we can see like a back leg here, right? So this is like his knee, comes around like that, and then the back heel or elbow of the back leg there, and then this comes down to a foot down here as well. And can we see his hind leg on the other side? Maybe like a little bit here, right? So same thing, elbow. So it's like this section. It's kind of, this leg is in a different position, but it comes down sort of there. So we got to add toes to all of those. That rhymed. So like there's a big sharp ones here, right? So this goes around like that. And then this comes around here, kind of bumps around like that. And then we have 4 claws. 1, we'll just do 2. Wait, 1, 2, yeah, 4, right? 1, 2, 3. And then a 4th just coming out here. Each of these is a toe. So they've got like lines that go up this way. And like texture lines on top. There's lots of texture on this guy. I'll do that all at once. We'll just get the main parts in first. So another toe here. The toe bone going that way. And then the top of this toe you can barely see, just around there, okay? And we'll do same here, kinda. It's a little bit different. He doesn't have that, this on this. It's different, so it goes this way, around, and then like a spike for a toe, and then a longer toe going out this way, and then a big spike going around. All right, and then we go out again. We add a spike right at the edge of my page now. I hope I can fit it in, and another one just here. Yeah, just about. Right, so each of these is a toe that bumps sort of back this way and up. Right, like that, and then this one's a toe as well. Kind of joins this foot, and then this one there. Like that, and we'll do similar over here. So we'll do the front foot first, because this one's hidden behind. So yeah, kind of comes out this way. Spike. Then it kind of bumps around. Like so, and then another toe there. One, yeah, we could see like 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Must be another one around the back over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so each of these then corresponds to a toe. So you just add these bumps. Okay, and then the toes back here, so you can see like one of those long ones like this, and then just sort of 1, 2, and that's kind of all we can see on this. So right, so now texture all over, right? So like there's no easy way. You just kind of add lots of wrinkles and stuff all over this guy. So like so he's like got some shoulder or neck muscles up here that I missed. Just these bumps. And this has all, so there's like spinal lines here. like bumps all back here. Some texture all over. And the last thing I like to do on drawings like this is thicken up the lines that are on the outside, the ones that interact with the background. Just makes things stand out a little bit better. So I'll just do that. And then like as much texture and like stuff and like maybe some like slobber like coming off his mouth, you know, like drips of drool and stuff like that. So as much of that as you want, you know, just coming off it. And of course, any lines you draw over, you color over them, or, you know. But I think that'll do. That's how to draw the demo dog from Stranger Things. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.